What you see right here is Suzuki's silent assassin. Say hello to the Suzuki E-Axis. Yes, this is the electrified version of the much beloved Suzuki Axis 125, India's best-selling 125cc scooter. And yes, this was showcased at the 2025 Bharat Mobility Global Expo. But now, before we ride the scooter, we have an exclusive preview of what the scooter is all about and what it is like, and we'll tell you everything about it. So stay tuned to NDTV Auto. So let me quickly tell you about the design of the E-Axis. Well, it's not a very different looking machine from the Axis 125. Yes, the front apron is more sloping. You have these nice integrated indicators, right? LED headlight. You have this DRL right here in a straight line. Looks very neat, clean and premium, right? And if you move to the side, well, there you have it. You have a flat footboard so you can keep stuff here. You have enough room for your feet. The seat itself is nice and wide. So if you want to sit, the seat height is 770 mm, making it very, very accessible for riders of all kinds, right? So the seat itself nice and plush. And if you move to the rear of the scooter, well, you'll see it has a very clean design, no frills, nothing very fancy. And yes, it's a neat design because it doesn't have the fuel filler cap, because this is an electric scooter, right? Now, let's talk about the battery and the range of the E-Axis. So the scooter gets a 3.07 kilowatt hour lithium phosphate battery, right? And it has a claimed IDC range of 95 kilometers on a single charge. Also, it makes around 4.1 kilowatt and 15 Newton meters of peak torque. The top speed is 71 kilometers per hour. So yes, it may not be exactly quick, but it has enough juice to overtake slow moving traffic, particularly in the city. Well, this is the charging port, right? And the scooter can be charged fully from 0 to 100% in 6 hours and 42 minutes. And if you have a fast charger, then the scooter can be charged fully in 2 hours and 12 minutes. And the entire powertrain is powered by Suzuki E-technology, right? So we will be riding the scooter very, very soon and bring you the detailed review. So make sure you stay tuned to NDTV Auto and don't miss out on the review of the Suzuki E-Axis.